So in this question, look here, we have negative 2 1/10 plus 2 3/5 take away 3 1/4. That's in brackets. Whatever the solution is to this subtraction question, we have to make sure we do all of it to the power of 3. So some of you made a mistake there because you didn't do everything in the bracket to the power of 3. So we'll talk about that in a minute. But we can turn this into an improper fraction to start, okay? Because when we're dealing with adding and subtracting fractions, one strategy is to use improper fractions, right? So what's negative 2 1/10 as an improper fraction? Negative 21/10. Plus, let's rewrite these as improper fractions, okay? Again, this is just one strategy. 2 3/5 is what as an improper fraction? 13/5. And 3 1/4 is 13/4. All of that to the power of 3. Okay, so we're going to find the lowest common denominator, which is, so I'm going to multiply this by 4 and this by 5. So again, I'm going to leave this, negative 21/10 plus, now we're going to subtract, so what's 13 times 4? 52/20, take away 65/20. We still haven't even simplified anything yet. All I'm doing right now is finding common denominator so that I can subtract what's in my brackets. Now what is 52 take away 65? What's the solution to this? Look here, please. What's 52/20 minus 65/20? What does that equal to? Yes? Negative 13/20. Now look here. It's all of this inside the bracket to the power of 3. So it's negative 13 to the power of 3, and it's 20 to the power of 3. Some of you just did negative 13 to the power of 3. But again, I'm just going to put a little side note here. It's negative 13/20 multiplied by itself 3 times. So if you look, when you're actually doing it, you're multiplying everything 3 times, the numerator and the denominator. What is negative 13 to the power of 3? Sorry, negative 13/20 to the power of 3. The base is negative, and I have an odd exponent. So your answer to this power should be negative, right? What is negative 13 times negative 13 times negative 13? Yes? 2,197. And what's 20 to the power of 3? 20 times 20 times 20? 8,000. Okay, I know we're working with really large numbers, but this is easy now. What's the common denominator of 10 and 8,000? 8,000. So I need to multiply this by 800. Multiply this by 800. Because we're adding these two fractions together. Again, watch your signs. What's negative 21 times 800? Negative 16,800 over 8,000 plus, okay, I'm taking a negative and I'm adding a negative 2,197 over 8,000. So what happens when I take negative 16,800 and I add negative 2197? What's my answer? Negative or positive? Negative 18,997 over 8,000 as a mixed number. Negative 2 and 2,997 over 8,000.